We're talking about a sphere here, so let's draw a picture. Okay, so this is our sphere, and let's say the radius of the sphere is r. Okay, so volume of a sphere is decreasing at a rate of 12 cubic centimeters per second. So let's say V denotes volume. So we are given dV over dt. That is 12 cubic centimeters per second. And since it says the volume is decreasing, we know that the sign is negative. And we're looking for how fast the radius of the sphere is changing. That means find the derivative. How fast means find the derivative of the radius at this time. What is our time when radius is 6 centimeters, when r is equal to 6 centimeters. If I need any other information, I will find later on. But let's go ahead and write the volume formula for sphere. That is V equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And we need the derivatives, so let's find the derivatives. dV over dt equals derivative of the right hand side, which is 4 over 3 pi times 3r squared times dr over dt. And I can cancel 3's here. Let's go ahead and plug in the information we know. dV over dt is negative 12 equals 4 pi times r squared. R is 6, so 36 times dr over dt. Divide both sides by 4 pi times 36. And we get dr over dt equals negative 1 over 12 pi. Units for this is centimeters for the radius, seconds for time, so centimeters per seconds. So that's our dr over dt. So that's the answer for the first part. For the second part, we're looking for how fast the surface area changing at this time. So let's say S denotes the surface area. We have a formula for surface area of a sphere that calls for 4 pi r squared. So let's find the derivative of this equation. We are looking for ds over dt. Derivative of this equation here is 8 pi times r times dr over dt. And we just need to plug in the information we know. 8 pi times r, which is 6, times dr over dt, negative 1 over 12 pi. And once we simplify, we should get negative 4. So ds over dt is negative 4. And s is the area. So the units for s will be centimeter squared per second. So that means the area, surface area, is also decreasing, and it is decreasing by 4 centimeters per second.